What is your name? My name is Francisco Castañeda. What is your profession? I am political. Where are you from? I'm from Facatativá. Where do you live? I live in Bogotá. How old are you? I am 40 years old. What is your hobby? My favorite hobby is dance. What do you live with? I live with my wife and dog. What are you studying? I am studying sociology. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is hot dogs. What is your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is House of Cards. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is basketball.